A legendary monster hides in this box. A titan among current photo lenses. This is the Kraken lens. The legend of the Kraken told of a mysterious beast that could warp itself around the ship and pull it down to the depths of the sea. But behind the myth hides a real animal. Colossal squid is one of the largest living organisms on the globe. Current estimates put its maximum size at 12 to 13 meters, or the size of a school bus. Encounters with the colossal squid are so rare that scientists didn't even have a photograph of a live one until 2004. These squids live so deep there's hardly any sunlight left. So to have a chance to hunt in the dark, their eyes are the size of soccer balls, at least 25 centimeters across, making them the largest eyes on the planet. The colossal squid has huge eyes, but its pupils are also large, around 75 mm across, and the front glass of the TT Artisans is 73 mm across, so almost the same size. And like the colossal squid, the lens can see in total darkness. I tested this lens during an editorial fashion photoshoot, and with a minimal amount of light, the lens created some stunning images, turning the wall textures into a painted background. Wide open, the lens is surprisingly contrasty in the center, with very minimal chromatic and spherical aberrations. Even if the lens is soft wide open at close distance, you will get a very minimal amount of spherical aberration. Bokeh on this lens is simply amazing. Bokeh balls are gigantic and for portraits, the background melts away into a creamy dream. The TT Artisan 90mm f1.25 is also very heavy. There's a tripod mount on the base of the lens, which says a lot about its weight. This lens is really amazing. Yes, it's huge and heavy, and it's not something you will bring with you on a daily walk. But every time I used this lens, I was blown away by the results. And having the eye of the Kraken in your camera bag is pretty weird and cool. I will definitely add this lens to my Weird Lens Museum that you can visit right now for free. Thanks for watching and see you really soon.